This video will showcase survey participant responses in regards to the consumption of other alcoholic beverages. According to a 2014 Gallup report, beer surpassed wine and liquor as the adult beverage drink of choice. In 2010, a year before our first survey, results were nearly identical. Since this data only provides information about the preferred beverage and not what other beverages are consumed, we included questions in our survey to learn what alcoholic beverages, in addition to wine, our survey participants consumed and the frequency of consumption. Tasting room operators should be aware of other alcoholic beverages their clientele is consuming. Examples include new beverages made by wineries that are adding breweries and distilleries to their facilities, numerous recipes and commercial products featuring wine and liquor cocktails like ice wine and vodka or pre-mixed frozen cocktails, as well as growing interest in ready-to-drink malt-based beverages and ready-to-serve cocktails. This information can assist in new product development and expansion, as well as become the basis for promoting recipes that use wine as an ingredient. In our survey, 48% of both younger millennials, those ages 21 to 24, and older millennials, those ages 25 to 34, combined, drank beer at least once a week. A similar percentage of younger millennials and older millennials consumed distilled spirits and ready-to-drink cocktails at least once a week. With many reports focusing on whether beer, wine, or other alcoholic beverages are more likely to be the beverage of choice for certain generations, we found that a greater percentage of those 21 to 24 consumed beer daily to a few times a week as compared to the 21 to 24-year-olds who drank wine this frequently. There are many other notable takeaways from this data. For instance, 21.7% of 45 to 64-year-olds responded that they drank distilled spirits a few times a year, which is more than double the amount of 21 to 24-year-olds in this category. Opposingly, 22.6% of 21 to 24-year-olds responded that they drank distilled spirits about once a week, which is about double the amount of 45 to 64-year-olds in this category. As for ready-to-drink cocktails, a few times a year had a very similar response for all of the age groups. Also, it is interesting to note that if we were to look at percentages for both younger millennials and older millennials who consumed each alcoholic beverage about once a week, we find that both groups had a greater percentage of respondents that reported they consumed wine at this frequency, more than they consumed beer, distilled spirits, or ready-to-drink cocktails.